Don't you just love art? It can be so inspiring. It's not just confined to a home or a museum or even a studio. The Unexpected, an urban art project, brings murals and street art to downtown Fort Smith.
My name is Claire Kohlberg, and I'm the director of The Unexpected. And The Unexpected is produced by a nonprofit called 646 Downtown, which was founded by Steve Clark.
Steve, what is 646 Downtown?
That's a great question. So 646 Downtown is a charitable organization that we founded to focus on the downtown area of Fort Smith, to create vibrant experiences, opportunities for our citizens, to affect our local economy and our region and our state.
How did you get the support from the community that you needed to get this public art display launched?
We were thinking in terms of economic development. We were also thinking in terms of, regardless of how you think we got here as a species, it's clear that we were built to respond to things of order, design, and beauty.
I mean, the changes that have happened with the Unexpected project have been huge for the downtown area. It's rejuvenated some of the older buildings that we've had and just given them new life.
We were very thoughtful about bringing world-class urban and contemporary artists, because it was not just about bringing high-quality art, but it was also about challenging perceptions. Not just the perceptions that people have of Arkansas globally, but also the perceptions that Arkansas and Fort Smith have of itself.
Being Fort Smith natives and moving back 20 years later, it was pretty exciting to see such vibrant colors, great paintings, fantastic murals, installations. It ignited us to want to be in this area and live in this environment.
So one of the inspirational things that occurred as a result of the Crystal Bridges Museum in Northwest Arkansas was clearly a conversation that's now beginning to occur about art in Arkansas, not just Northwest Arkansas. In Fort Smith, we're never going to build a world-class museum like they have in Bentonville, but we can make this our own. We can make Fort Smith's version of that. We can make world-class art available to everyone as a normal part of their day, which has reintroduced our citizens to a very integral part of our city, which is our historic downtown.
A lot of people will come by and they want to take photos of the murals, you know, so they hop around to each one downtown. And so I'll see people out there, you know, doing selfies, and it's just kind of starting to become vibrant and kind of a heartbeat of the city again.
Tell me about the future. Are there more sides of buildings like this one that we'll see art on?
What it's done is it's led to other people being involved, bringing their ideas, and so there'll continue to be murals, but there'll also be now sculpture, and we've seen our local art economy grow dramatically with local art shows and engagements of that nature. And so it's been exciting to see from this little petri dish, you know, that we set in motion what has grown from it, which is exactly what we hoped it would do.